If your pet hamster could lift weights, it'd still be no match for these powerhouses. All right, animal lovers, let's dive in. First up, we got the dung beetle. This little guy can lift 1,141 times its own body weight. That's like you lifting a double-decker bus. Next in line, the leafcutter ant. These tiny champions can carry stuff 50 times heavier than themselves. Imagine lugging around a piano all day. Now let's talk about the mighty elephant. They can carry up to 20,000 pounds. That's like hauling around 2 fully grown T-Rexes. Last but not least, the blue whale. Its heart alone weighs as much as a car. Talk about a heavy heart. Whoa, that's a lot of muscle. Want to learn more about amazing animals? Please subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.